Woohoo! Let it rip. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am here with
Jacob
at
Auto Autopsy,
and we're just gonna take a cruise around town with his Turbo X.
Yep.
We're gonna talk Saab, discuss his car because it's obviously a really awesome Turbo X, very rare car. And this is clean. If you haven't followed his channel, check it out. He's got a lot of mods done to this thing and some good
which
content.
we'll talk about. Hey, there's a 9.3 right there.
Yep. Nice like 2.0. Yeah, buddy. There's the turbo. The Turbsky, as Cletus the farming called it. You follow him?
Yeah, so can't really see anything thrown out there.
Intake. This is the vlog style. So what got you into Saabs?
Well, my dad, or my family as a whole, has owned Saabs since before I was born. Not really super far before I was born, but he bought his first Saab in '96, a 900, which he actually had until about a year ago. That had about 312,000 miles on it. That was the car I learned to drive stick on. That was the first car that I drove to school in high school. And so I've always been around them my whole life. My family's pretty much owned nothing but Saabs. So
still?
Yeah, still, even though the company's been dead now for 8 years. But yeah, so just been the family
Trait.
Yeah, pretty much. That's what a lot of people say if you ask them.
Yeah, no, for me, my mother purchased a Saab in 2002, brand new. It was a 9.3, or excuse me, a 9.5, beautiful car. And 2007 came around, and I took it over with about 75,000 miles on it. Right. So still like a fairly young car.
Yeah.
And I drove it for almost 10 years. Drove it for 8 years. And by the time I got rid of it, it was driving better at 200,000 miles versus when I got it at 75,000. Car that I really took apart and really just kind of got my hands dirty.
That's kind of how it is for me too. Like I said, my dad was fixing them, and any weekend I just, every now and then go out there and help him. So
yep. And then
that's what got me into cars too, not just Saab, but that's what got me into cars.
Yeah. And then from there, I got so familiar with Saab engineering that I decided to buy my wife a Saab 9.3 convertible, 2002. My dad had a 2002 Saab 9.3. Always loved the car. It was a really clean car until the day we sold it. So I purchased one that was non-running off Craigslist, really cheap, and rebuilt it in my driveway. So now that's been on the road. You guys can check the video out right here. Saab life continues. So when you purchased this Turbo X, when did you purchase it?
I bought it in June of last year, and I got it here in July, like early July last year.
Why did it take so long to get?
Shipping,
yeah. They were good with it.
They messed up the front lip, which
I remember you talking about.
Yeah, they messed up the front lip. But besides that, typical shipping company says they'll be here at this date, and then a week later they're like, oh, well, I'm in Missouri right now, and you're like, what the hell?
Yeah. Saab Turbo X, guys. If you guys are gonna shop for one of these, I was on Auto Autopsy checking them out. You can find a good good low mileage one under 100,000 for like 15 to 18,000 miles, or $18,000. So if you guys want to invest, it'd be a cool car to buy.
Yeah, and if you want to buy one that's more than likely been owned by someone who actually cares about it and respects what it is, then I would check SaabNet.
Yep.
The SaabNet Classifieds, that's a great place. That's where I found this car.
Yep, good spot. They always have some sick Vigans up there and
Yeah.
OG stuff.
Yeah, exactly. OG stuff. That's what I was gonna say. Classic 900s, SPGs.
Yeah. So what are the numbers? What's the specs on this?
So, well, the Turbo X was built only for the 2008 model year, so there were 2,000 made worldwide.
1 year.
1 year. 2008. Yeah.
And they made 2,000 in total.
2,000 total. 600 in the U.S. 211 of those are manual sedans.
211.
Like this one. 211 of those 600. Yeah.
In the U.S.
Yeah.
So guys, like I said, if you want to invest,
get a manual sedan. Oh, or you could get a manual combi, but good luck finding one of those.
there's a combi up right now for sale on Auto Tempest, but I didn't see if it was
Like
manual.
20 grand probably if it's manual.
Let me pull it up.
From factory though, it came with the B284R motor, so 2.8 V6 with a single turbo. It's about 280 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds from factory. This car though has a bit of work done to it, not a whole lot. Since I've owned it, well, I'll talk about what it came with when I bought it. When I bought it, it had map tune coilovers. It had, well, it still has all this stuff. Not a map tune. So map tune coilovers, genuine Saab short shifter, genuine Saab shifter cable reinforcement, something like that, torque mount inserts, and a couple other little mods here and there, and then a JZW Stage 1 tune and a rear muffler delete. So since I have owned it, I have done a Krona downpipe.
Dude, that torque comes in nicely at like 3,000.
Yeah.
After 3,000 RPM, it just like you can feel the car pull hard. It just comes in. Yeah, nice.
And then, okay, so Krona downpipe, Krona midpipe, and then after that I did a DO88 intercooler, DO88 intercooler charge pipes, and then DO88 intake and turbo inlet pipe kit.
Nice.
So that inlet pipe, well, I guess you don't know what it sounds like without it, but you can really hear the noise of the air coming into it's hard to explain, but you can really hear like the sucking noise of the filter and the
turbo. Oh yeah. Sounds nice. Body roll's nice, guys. It's very stiff suspension because you.
Oh shit! There is a speed bump right there.
Whoa.
Oh. Yeah. Anyways, body. Not much body roll. Yeah. The coilovers.
Brakes work well, guys.
Yeah. Brakes are good. Brakes are very good.
Any upgrades there?
No, they're stock. As for future mods, if you guys watch my channel, you probably have heard me talk about before.
Subscribe, guys. I'm gonna have a link down below.
You better, or
if you haven't already.
If you haven't already, if you're not,
if you're not already subscribed to Auto Autopsy.
Yeah, future mods I don't have much planned. Like I said, the brakes, which I guess would count, and then strut brace for sure. And
you want to add that?
Yeah.
Nice.
And people are saying bigger turbo with the mileage. It concerns me. I might do that.
Are you burning oil?
No.
So don't worry about it yet. Or just go ahead and do it. So guys, we're gonna leave you off on that. This car is a beautiful car. Again, very special car. That's why I wanted to come out here and sit in it.
The only reason you came out here.
The only reason. I obviously wanted to meet with Jacob because I follow the channel, big supporter, and obviously I'm growing my channel. So if you can subscribe,
hit 1K. Get them to 1K, or
1,000, baby.
Block all of you.
We're going to 1,000 subs and counting. We got some really cool plans for my channel, so stay tuned for more. I appreciate you guys watching, and leave your feedback below and hit that like button. Talk to you soon.
Subscribe button.
And subscribe. Smash the subscribe.
Yeah.